Alright guys, today we're going to do a Haunted Mansion run, and yeah, I have Haunted Key right here. Get a crowbar for another Richie. I did have 23 at one time. Get up! Alright, so going over here, right about there. Oh my, okay. Not this way. They changed where Haunted Mansion is. Huh, they changed where Haunted Mansion is. I'll turn my light off. Put this in. Put it here. Do not want to get caught by a creepy lady. Just terrifying. It's gonna be really quick. Boom. 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 I'm gonna try not to take any damage. That's one. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Just go up here because I have one right here. Can't miss any because then oh yeah, that's money. It's like money ranger. All you want is money in this game. It's the money game. It's literally called Animal Company. Company kind of means money, I guess. So the company earn money. Company. So. Chat, this is Play Crispy Yaps. Channel's called Play Crispy Yaps now. I'm almost full. Took a wee bit of damage there. Just a wee bit. Everyone, please subscribe. I work very hard on my videos. I just put a ton of work into my shouting out my subscribers video, and I got 5 views. I literally put over 30 minutes of work in it. Not even 30 minutes. I put like an hour to 2 hours. Literally doing it while everyone made dinner. This is literally totes like Play Crispy Yaps, bro. I'm a yapper right now. I'm literally a yapatron. Alright. Got it. Let's go. Alright, we're going right here. We're almost full. Yeah, I'm just getting the blue crystals. If you didn't know, the blue crystals are worth more, everybody. But they also do something very weird if you hold them. I'll let you guys try that out. It's pretty goofy. I know I'm using the quote word the wrong way. So I'm just goofy. Goofy Tron, bro. I think I'm full. Alright, probably see you on the other side. Peace. No more guns. Grab onto this tree. Grab onto that. Swing over there. I'm just gonna like grab onto this. And yeah, I really like going to Haunted Mansion. It's a really cool place. So I like being scared. Alright, moment of truth. How much money did I get? Alright. Never need that again. All by myself. Get out! Get out. Alright. Let's see. Oh, what am I doing? One escaped. A couple escaped. Get that. I'll get that one. My backpack is empty. Cause like if you didn't know, if you hold those, you turn upside down. It's very hard to do. Nah, you go in there, buddy. Alright, let me get this one. Got it. Got it. Yeah, the zombie update is really cool in Animal Company. So I did it again today. No. Get away. I'm guessing this could be... Oh, it already sold. Alright. See how much money I got. Okay. I'll take it. Alright, where should I go in the next vid? 6,000. I got about $5,000. It's pretty good. At about, yeah. Alright. Peace out, guys. Comment where I should go in my next video. Like, Lava World. It could be like another Haunted Mansion run, or a giveaway. Whatever you guys want. So I have a bunch of money guns, a bunch of suitcases, backpacks with flashlights. Yeah. Whatever you guys want. Yeah, I can go to, yeah, anything, really. Alright, and I'll see you in the next. Play crispy. Stay. Play crispy. Peace.